Hey y'all, come on in. We are gonna make some cucumbers with rice wine vinegar. This has been a classic on my table since I was going to my grandma's house when I was little. Super simple. You're just gonna cut your cucumbers into slices and into a bowl. I do not take the skin off. These are fresh cucumbers. The skin is pretty tender, but I know a lot of people do not particularly care for the skin. A Vidalia onion, so a sweet onion, which I'm more of whatever I have available is what I'm gonna end up using. So you put that into the bowl. My rice wine vinegar here. I never measure anything. I'm really bad about that. I just give it a splash. And another peculiar thing that always was in the bowl was a glass, some ice, and then mixed together. My theory on the ice is that if they had just picked the cucumbers, they would be warm, and that would be a way to cool it down, also water down the rice wine vinegar. I don't think the ice is necessary. My eyes are starting to water from the onion. But I do think that I just do it because it's my tradition to do it that way, because that's how my grandma did it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the fridge. I every so often will come and give it a stir so that the rice wine vinegar that has settled to the bottom will be able to come in contact with all of the cucumbers and onion. Then we just set it on our table as a condiment at dinner time.